How to change height on eHarmony. Hello everyone, welcome back to app tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how you can change your height details on eHarmony. So let's start. First of all, open eHarmony and log into your account. You can either use the app or the website version of the platform. I'll be using the website version. After you log into your eHarmony account, go to your profile. In case you are on the website, tap on the three lines on the top left. After that, go to my profile. As you go to my profile, you'll come to a screen like this. Now scroll below and go to the section showing your height. As you can see, your height is displayed on our body type section. Tap on the arrow-like option that you can see on the body type section. When you go to this section, you can only change the details of your body type. However, there is no such option to change the details of your height. That is because there are some details that you cannot change on the eHarmony platform, and they are your display name, date of birth, height and other things. So if you want to change your height, you will have to delete your current account and then create a new account with the new height. Other than that, there is no such option to change your height on the platform. I hope you found the video helpful. Make sure to subscribe to the channel for further similar videos and drop a like if you found this helpful.